Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to make with your Apple AirTags 2 a very cool keychain. Alright, so of course if you're always losing your keys, you can actually use this cool setup to actually find your keys. Alright, so here I have some a set of keys, and as you can see attached here, I have the Apple AirPods 2. Now of course these are attached to this very cool keyring setup right here. As you can see, it's a case. It's also waterproof, and I had a separate unboxing and of course a quick look at these. All right, so this is not the review video, but actually just a setup to look at the key finding feature. You could actually attach this to other stuff as well, such as a bag. You could also attach it to anything else that you may own as a part of the setup for the ear tags. All right, so we're going to focus on the keys today. So for example here, you'll find that as a keychain, that's what we're looking at today. This works fine. Now this setup here, I had to buy these separately. So we have the ear tag, and next to the ear tag we have this case. So the case attaches, is very firm. It's made out of a firm plastic, and of course there's the key section here. It attaches to your normal keys. So let's say for example, if you misplace your keys around the house, I could easily find them using the Find My feature on the iPhone. This is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And as you can see here, let's say for example the keys that I have along with the main keys, I place them somewhere around the house, or if they were to fall out of my pocket, we can easily go to the iPhone. And once you go to the iPhone, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna search for the Find My app. It has to be pre-set up as we had with a previous video. You're gonna tap on Find My. I might have to blur sections of this. Now, of course, make sure that you're connected to the internet, and it's going to go ahead and it's going to locate. So you're going to see on your map, it should show where your device is. Next, you're going to find that it's going to show all of your devices here. So in order to find your iPhone itself, what you're going to do is, sorry, not your iPhone. In order to find your keychain, you're going to go ahead and you're going to hit items. All right. And notice I've tagged it as my keys. Notice it says Ricardo's keys, and of course we're gonna go ahead and tap, and once I do, it's gonna bring up some options. Now those options, I have play sound. So let's say for example it's somewhere around the house, I can easily do this, play sound, and we'll show you that in a second. And by the way, I'm gonna have both items such as in the description of this video. So if I hit play sound, all right, and I can stop the sound when I want to. Do note, this is very piercing sound, and this feature comes with the ear tags too. All right, I can actually share with a person. I can have some features here, such as looking at various notifications. I can have notified when found. All right. Notify me when left behind. I have that turned on. All right, and I can have settings, so I can change the name and the emoji. I can remove it. All right, so all of that is in the main settings here. I can also show contact information. So meaning if somebody else find it and they have an iPhone, my contact information will show up. I can share item location with others. And of course, I can add a person to the tracking list. All right. So as you can see, it's very robust and detailed. And if I want, I can hit find nearby. All right. So right away, it is saying it's nearby. It's 0.2 mm. So all I got to do is basically follow the hot and cold. And when I'm right over it, it says here. In other words, I can move the phone around, and I can walk around the house following the hot and cold signal. All right. So as you can see again, I can easily sound the sounds to actually find it, and it makes finding your keys easy. If it's lost around the house or lost anywhere, it will be able to find it. All right. So that's one of the cool features of the Apple AirTags 2, that you can actually create a keychain or a bag or whatever it is and track it. Especially for airports, if you have your bag or your luggage, it will work as well. All right, so I do hope this was useful, guys, and just showing off the feature that you can actually have a very cool keychain that you can make. All you gotta do is buy the ear tags tool, follow the instructions to set up, and of course attach it to your keychain with one of these holders. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. I highly recommend this, and it works flawlessly. It's definitely a 10 out of 10 in terms of performance. All right, see you in the next one, guys. Bye.